A crisis team will be at Walnut Hills High School tomorrow after an 8th grader killed himself over the weekend. He's the second student at Walnut Hills to do so in 2 years. As Brad Underwood reports, some say more resources are needed for teens struggling with mental health issues.
Days after an 8th grader took his own life, a large crowd gathers at his favorite park for prayers and hugs.
Getting people and a community to talk more about mental health is a huge step towards improving the mental health climate in the community.
Maya Sivakumaran and Sarah Shirey are both Walnut Hills students. They're also members of the Youth Council for Suicide Prevention.
We have a very open environment and safe where there's not really any stigma around it, and we can all talk to each other if we're feeling any sort of way.
The YCSP works with Children's Hospital and other organizations to provide resources for teens struggling with mental health issues. The teens say it's important for students and parents to watch out for behavioral changes like isolation, declining grades, and even exposure to suicide.
The first instinct when people are having mental health issues is to hide them. So a lot of times people aren't aware of anything that's going on unless the student or anyone speaks up about it. And so a lot of times it comes out of nowhere.
Like this latest tragedy. Some in tonight's crowd say they question what could they have done to prevent this from happening.
Everyone needs to share their stories.
Manav Midha says he talks with his friends every week about what they're going through and what he's going through. And he says he stresses that conversation needs to happen more often among students everywhere.
We need to understand that and really use that fact to build connections with other people so we can help each other.
In Pleasant Ridge, Brad Underwood, Local 12 News.
If you or someone you know is struggling, we have links to get help at local12.com.